Hey folks, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add these beautiful Hero Grid sections to any Shopify theme. They look gorgeous on desktop, but they also look fantastic on mobile. As you can see here, they stack wonderfully. These are really great sections if you're trying to promote, different categories, or if you want to promote different sales and so on. I think that they look fantastic, not only on home pages, but even collection pages. And quite honestly, any secondary or product page could use these sections too. Now, these sections are made up of a few different components here. If I highlight over this outer layer here called Hero Grid, you'll notice that we have a little bit of control over how to customize it. But you'll notice that directly below the section, we have this layout, and the layout is like the layout for each one of these groups here. And then with each one of the layouts, we have a group, which is like the container for the content. So in the group, we have our images set. We have a bit of an overlay, color. And then if we click into the text, we also have full control over changing the text around too. Also, to go back up into the group, we could really, align these however we want. If we want them to be perfectly centered, or if we want, center top or bottom, or however really you see fit, you can make these look absolutely stunning here. So you may be wondering how you can add the section to your theme. It's actually through this app here called Flexi, and full transparency, I am a professional developer who's been working on Shopify Plus stores for the better part of 5+ years now. And I needed a way to add professional, high quality sections into my client stores. So I created this app here called Flexi, which is something I support and maintain, and it feels like having a developer in your back pocket. I used to charge $1,000 per section, but you can just use Flexi now for only $12 a month. Once you add the app, you can start your free trial, hop in, go over to slider sections over here, and then select your theme that you want to install the section onto. And the section that I previewed for you is called Hero Grid. So as you can see here, there are tons of different sections you can add, but there's Hero Grid 1 that you can add, Hero Grid 2 you can add, and also Hero Grid 3 over here. So again, select your theme, hit add section, hop back into the Shopify theme customizer, go into any template, and then just type in Hero Grid. Then as you can see here, we have tons of different Hero Grids that we can add in. So I'm going to just add Hero Grid 1 for a demo. And as you can see out of the box, it actually looks pretty good, but you can really dress it up by dropping in an image. At first, I'm just going to drop in an image of this person rock climbing just because I personally love rock climbing myself. And we could also hit customize here and then give it a little bit of an overlay opacity just to make the main heading pop a little bit more. And then we can hover in here and start to edit our text. And then if we want to add a link into the section, we could go back out to the group and then pop in a link over here inside of the group. If you found this video useful, I highly recommend that you give it a like. And also, if you are actively working inside of the Shopify theme customizer, I also highly recommend you subscribe to my YouTube channel where I make tutorials on how to edit and customize Shopify themes. Anyways, cheers.